Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vinay and you're watching Riding Architect. You have exported a Sketchup file and imported it in Lumion. But there was a glitch with the material in one of the wall. What will you do? Let me show you how to fix it. First, open your Sketchup file. Then change the texture of that particular wall to a different texture which was never ever used in your model before. For example, I am using this color which was never used in my model. Then just normally export your SketchUp model to 3D model and replace your previously exported model. When you get this prompt, press yes button. I've already done it, so I will press no. You must have the texture image in your folder somewhere. Just be sure you locate it first. Here, this is the texture I need. Come back to your Lumion application. Re-upload the exported file. If you don't know how to do that, I will make a special video for that and link will be there in the description box very soon. Now go to Materials tab, select the material, select Standard Material. If the material is not glossy reflective, then reduce those values. Click on Choose Color Map. Locate your texture image in that dialog box. You will see no change, and that is because colorization is active. Go and reduce this value. You will see a change, but the texture is still not visible. And that is because we have to adjust the scale of the texture. Now you can see your texture. Adjust the scale according to your preference. And you're done. This is how you can fix a bad or unwanted texture exported from SketchUp to Lumion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.